Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll to find the security. Now here in this second section we've got encryption and credentials, and after tapping on it at the very bottom we've got the option clear credentials. So let's enter and confirm it with OK. As you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully, so that's quite easy, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually that's all. This is how to remove certificates in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.